Leaders Montego United recorded yet another win in the Rare Neville Jamaica Premier League after getting the better of Malines United at the Stadium East Field. Last season's beaten finalists Mount Pleasant FA were also on the winning side.
Malines United's wait for a win this season in the Premier League has gotten longer. This after they were beaten by Montego United, their third defeat in 8 outings. They put on a brave defence against the league leaders in the first half but couldn't hold out until the end. Jordan Fletcher finding the breakthrough on the stroke of half-time to give the former champions the lead. And Fletcher wrote off the contest 13 minutes into the second half as he made it 2-0 as MBU moved to 19 points. Malines sit in the relegation zone on 5 points.
Happy with maintaining our spot atop the table. And I thought we were decent enough today. I didn't think Malines were really put a lot of challenge on us. And at times we tend to be a little bit reckless and careless. But happy that we managed to get our 3 points today.
Mount Pleasant FA have started to gather pace on a somewhat slow start to the season. They had a 3-1 win over Chapelton Maroons at Drax Hall. But it was Chapelton who were first out of the blocks, Zane Pinnock giving them a 9th-minute lead. However, Mount Pleasant didn't drop shoulders and Claver Nugent pulled them level in the 30th minute. And then goals from Raheem Edwards in the 35th minute and Demario Phillips in the 89th gave Mount Pleasant their second win. Chapelton have now gone 5 matches without a win after winning their first 3.
I think we would have met our objective this afternoon by winning the game. There are some aspect of the game we still happen to concede this afternoon, but we did well. We show character to get back in the game.
Second place Racing United had a 3-0 win over the winless Spanish Town Police at the Ferdanita Park, but it took them 52 minutes to break down the newcomers, Tajay Grant with the go-ahead goal. It took another 7 minutes for the second goal, Giovanni Cunningham getting the job done. And Haley Beckles ensured Racing got home safely when he made it 3-0 with 3 minutes to go.
I think we started the game, very, very relaxed. We're playing against the police, so we keep, bossing the ball, keeping the ball, and make a whole lot of passes in the first half. And then the second half, we said, I'll just go for the kill now. Because when you look, police players start to drop one by one.
Tivoli Gardens came from behind to beat Harborview 2-1. Harborview went in front through Rowan Brown after just 3 minutes. But Radico Wellington wiped out the deficit in the 28th minute, making it 1-1. And Barrington Price secured the win for Tivoli in the 75th minute.
This win is very important. This is the 8th game, since the start of the season. And this now would be our second win, so it's a welcome win and it's really needed, and it never happened at a better place.
Elsewhere, Treasure Beach and Waterhouse ended 0-0 at Stets. It was a game of missed penalties as both teams found kicking from 12 yards difficult.
We were moving the ball a little bit too slow for our liking today. They get a penalty, we save it. We got 2 penalties and we have scored none. So I'm disappointed about that aspect.
We're climbing the ladder, and that's what the plan is. We want to be at least 5th position at the end of the year, going into the next round.
Dunbeholden and Arnett Gardens also ended 0-0 at Dunbeholden. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.